Hi, I'm Scott, your Get Setup Guide. I'm a longtime photographer, and increasingly I've been turning to my iPhone to take some of my best shots. Smartphone cameras have become incredibly capable with more bells and whistles than you can even find on a standard camera. In fact, the great photographer Annie Leibovitz says she often uses her iPhone for photography. The camera on your phone can help you take photos with dazzling colors and artistic black and white looks that your family and friends might think were professionally shot. In this class, I'll walk you through the functions on the camera itself, as well as the built-in editing tools that will take your pictures to a new level. You'll learn not only how to compose your shots, but how to edit and enhance them right on your device. Recently, one of our learners, Troy, said one of the tips he picked up in this class was, quote, worth its weight in gold. So whether you're a longtime photography enthusiast or a beginner, join this class, connect with others, and discover how to use your phone to take pictures that you'll be proud to frame and put on your wall.